Hi, I'm Shakeel Akhtar. I'm a professional electrical engineer. In this video, I'm going to talk about UK electrical plans, which I'm going to provide you the service. GS Design Orbit will provide you the electrical plans as per the standards of UK, like BS 7671, and we can calculate, we can create, and you can get electrical plans as per these standards with proper dimensions, with proper details, and you can see we have shown here that is switch back box, and we know very well which type of switch used in UK. And also you can see we have fixed the appliances as per the needs of the client. You can just have to tell us where you want to put electrical appliances. We will properly mention these electrical sockets used for that appliance. And also we can create electrical calculations and uh, load calculations and single line diagram and many more. You will just have to contact us. We will provide you the proper solution of that. Thanks.